Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. This week, I got a package in the mail and it was from Nap. And Nap is the guy who developed the Contour 2 cleaning tool. And this is a tool that we use here on our track. Basically, you put a piece of Swiffer cloth on this, push it around with your cars. If you're running digital, it's great. Throw a ghost car on, put it in front of it. 10 minutes later, your track is clean, and it does a really nice job. And I did a review of this maybe almost 2 years ago, and we still use it today. Not every time we clean the track, but when we run digital, we use it. And Nap sent me an email and said, "Hey, Marty, I've developed something else. I've developed a tire cleaner truer for multiple scales. It looks like it'll work with any track." So he sent me a box. Here's the box. We're going to open it up, take a look at the product. This is a prototype of the tire cleaner truer, and it's not a tire truer in the sense of pull the wheels off of a car and sand them down flat. It's really put your car on the track inside this truer and use the track power. You can clean the tires, true the tires using some sandpaper. It really is a basic tool, but I think for the cost that it's got a lot of potential. And so again, this is a prototype. He's still working on it. He's actually already made some changes since he sent me this, but let's take a look at it. All right, guys. Nap did an awesome job. This packaging. It is the TT1a tire truer from NP Labs out of Alberta, Canada. It's packaged nice. You get some accessories. You get a bottle of alcohol, some extra sanding discs. I believe this is 180 grit, and he's actually going to include one of the changes he's already made is he's going to include some like 220 in that as well. Some cleaning cloths that fit into the tire truer. A very nice guide that explains everything about the truer, what comes with it, how to operate it, laid out very nice, just like the instructions of the original Contour 2. And then this is what it looks like. 3D printed. It has a lock. So this is made to sit on a piece of track. And so it will sit and lock in to a piece of track. You can put your car in the slot, set it on the sandpaper, and then go to your controller and control truing the tires. And then when you're not truing tires, you can flip this up out of the way, and it has a cleaning pad. Using the alcohol, you can use that to clean the tires, set it in the slot, put it on the tire cleaner, hit your controller, and clean the tires. We've tried this. I've actually put this on the track, and we will go to the track and show you how it works there. I've used lots of different size cars, and I'm good until I get to Carrera 124 scale. So this will work for 143rd scale, the Carrera Go cars. I know that he's already made some adjustments to the size of the cleaning pad. I believe he's brought it in a little bit this direction just to make it easier for those 143rd cars, and maybe extended this slightly because 124 scale cars from Carrera will barely fit with the hinge up, but when the hinge is down and you're trying to true the tires, it really doesn't fit. The angle is wrong. Kind of have to raise this, flatten this up a little bit. And I think that he's already made adjustments. Again, this is a prototype. From a 3D printed quality standpoint, this is 3D printed. It's very, very nice. You can turn sanding disc just to get to new clean spots as you continue to true tires with it. You can swap out the cleaning cloths. The striping is printed right into the 3D using the 3D printed. So it looks nice. It's got a great look to it. High quality 3D print. I know that he's made some adjustments to the locking mechanism, but I've not had any problems with this locking mechanism. It works really well right in the slot. And then there's a pin on the backside so that it will lock right into a piece of track. So let's take it to the track. We'll throw some cars at it and see how it works. So we'll take a look at this. This is made to snap in to your track. So it's got a locking guide mechanism, an open bottom, and then the tire truer sanding disc is on a hinge. So basically, you lock it in. It's got a pin in the back, and it uses the track power. So very convenient, easy to use. And this is on a hinge. Use your alcohol on the cleaning pad. It's got a bumper here so that you can just put the car in. Basically, well, I put it in the wrong lane. Let's try this. What is close to me? The red lane. You put the car here, make sure you got a controller, and clean your tires. Very convenient. I like it, no mess. And then you've got nice clean tires. Now this rotates and locks in place so that as you wear the sandpaper out, you can just shift it a couple notches. Very nice. So here, again, put your car in. This will work with a 1/43rd scale car, 1/43rd, 1/32nd, and we'll grab a 1/24 scale, a 1/25th scale, and see if that'll work as well. Now you can do some sanding on the tires. There you go. Now these are silicones. Might be better to try with rubber. But again, great just for scuffing the tires, and you don't have to hold the car. It has a nice little angle. Again, flip it and you're ready to go. Very simple design. The 3D printing is fantastic. So Nap obviously has a really nice 3D printer. The red stripes are 3D printed in, it's not paint. He said that he needed to work on the locking guide a little bit, but I think this locks in really, really nice. So yeah, I'm very impressed for what it is. Again, it's not a true tire truer in the sense, but if I was not racing at a club, I mean, this would work. This would do exactly what I needed to do, and this would be great for Carrera. We watch Dave Kennedy do it all the time, just scuff the tires. Harry Wise, Home Racing World, just kind of scuffs the tires as urethanes. I think this would be perfect for that. Get a nice flat surface. Urethanes true really quick. Rubber tires, scuff really quick. The hinge design's really nice. It's well made, well thought out. Yeah, let's grab a 1/24, 1/25th scale car. Okay, here we are, 1/24th scale. Okay, so we see that this 1/24th scale is probably just a little long. Oh no, there it is. It fit. It's a tight fit. So any recommendation I might have is just to make that just a little bit longer to accommodate 1/24 cars. These DTM cars are pretty long from 1/24 scale standpoint. Just for tire cleaning. Yeah, that's just a little tight. But for tire truing, and because of the hinge and as low as these DTM cars, I would have to take the body off to get the tires to touch, which isn't a problem. Even then, I'm not sure with the way this car is made that we would have to raise this up a bit. So it's kind of a stretch the way it is, but I know that this is a prototype. Let me see if I got another 1/24 scale car to see if it's just this one DTM that I'm having problems with. Okay, here we are. Here's another 1/24 scale. This is the 4-wheel drive Subaru, and works just fine on the 1/24 scale. And well, there you go. Truing a little bit of tires. Very good. Works well with that size 1/24 scale. Let's see if we've got anything else. Here is my 1/25th scale land barge that I'm almost finished with. I've got the driver and interior in. It works with that. So it's just these large Carrera DTMs. They're having a little issue. So a little bit of adjustment. So I know that those things will be fixed in the next prototype or the final version. Great job. And for the estimated price point of $40 US, you got a nice tire cleaner / tire truer that operates off of your track power. And it just gets something else in the price point that might make it a little easier for people. Great job, Nap. I really do think that this will be popular. Again, it's not pulling the tires off of a car and truing them like I do with my existing truer. But for a quick scuff, a quick flattening of Carrera tires, rubber tires, urethane tires, this will work really well. That is the prototype of the Track Pro TT1a tire truer, tire cleaner. Again, it's a prototype. Nap sent it to me to get some feedback. All in all, for the price point, estimated $39.99, $40 retail US. It's a quality tool. I think that with the changes that Nap plans to make for the price point, this is a really nice tire cleaner. It's a really nice tire truer for just the average home racer. Just sand them a little bit and get them flat and go. The downside of this type of tire truer is you're using the car's motor to power it, and sometimes the additional stress that puts on a motor. Nap will continue to improve this once it hits the market. Again, prototype. I think it's a great start. I think the changes he has planned are all good changes. I'm going to send him an email with additional feedback, what I think, but I thought I would do this video to share with you so you can see that we've got some new products coming, that there are people out there developing, and that's exciting for the hobby. So if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. Guys, I really appreciate you tuning in today. I hope that when this hits the market, you guys jump in and help Nap out if you're in need of a device like this. Thanks, Nap. Great job. Way to think outside the box and try to help the hobby out. I mean, you already have another great product with the track cleaner. Thanks for tuning in this week, and go have some fun racing.